Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how we eat pineapple in Manipur. So today I'll be preparing pineapple with bhut jolokya. Misidi kihom ga umrok me lage. Keep this aside. First, cut the pineapple. Don't throw this part. Keep it, twist it out. Yeah, and don't throw this, put it in the soil and it will start growing. Manipur ki kihom ningsinga Manipur ki yam hawi thumme ba du so me dumuk thummadi phangdare so di thumme du so dumuk ki hawdre go cha khau hang ba cha di lore Kasi kini mo si soy dab ne go. Kini na nan bay go kamo ne. This is not spoiled. It's because of the weight. Kasi mayay sila thor ye di. Kasi yaw ki yak ne. Yam di me loge asi ngak niki ka den by side little bit sour cresula As in freezer to thumb in a fresh oil go freezer to thumb. I'll take just a little bit only because it's very spicy. I can't handle this. Just touch it on the pineapple. Okay, spicy. Manam di haure. The smell of this umrok, bhut jolokya is just amazing. Just touch it, that is more than enough. And little bit of salt, not much, little bit, and sugar. I like to put little bit of sugar. Mix it up. Mix it. Kihom ji krisil le do sugar half ne half in the half the sugar is optional. Oh wow, the chili just explode in my mouth. Manam di plan how Yummy. Sweet, spicy, and the aroma of this bhut jolokya is just to die for. ꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯄꯣꯝꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡꯁꯨ ꯐꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯀꯤꯍꯣꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯤꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛꯁꯦ 와 맞아 ꯇꯞꯅ ꯆꯥꯎ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯔꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯎꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯗꯅꯉꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯦ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯋꯪ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯆꯥꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯁꯥꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯥꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ 푹 사갈래. 국물이 그러와야 돼. Spicy. 시리 그냥 시리시들로 신선하게 한번 사버려라 야들. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.